The members of the Meghalaya SSA Schools Association are disappointed that the state government has not been able to do what it promised as far as the release of their pending salaries is concerned. In a press release, the president of the Mssasa Aristotle Rymbai said that in the month of March they had met Education Minister Lahkmen Rymbui, who promised them that their wages for December and January would be released as soon as the state receives the funds from the central government. He also informed that the Mssasa SA had received the copy of the sanctioned letter from the Union Ministry of Education, wherein it is stated that the amount of rupees 44.64 crores had already been released to the Meghalaya government on the 31st of March 2022. Rymbai urged the state government to release the pending amount to the State Implementation Society so that it can release the 3 months pending salaries of the SSA teachers. Further, Rymbai informed that they had met the Secretary of Education Department, Aristotle Rymbai, who confirmed that the Finance Department of the Meghalaya government had received the money. However, despite all this, the SSA teachers remain unpaid even after 18 days from the transfer of funds.
Idon ka jingsukhiya kalong ba katkum ka jingikren bat katkum ka jingkular ka ba nakaliang jong I Honorable Education Minister isa Lahkmen Rymbui ila kular yang I bayak pasapat katulob jungi kata job na December, January but February on siu mario ya ka second installment ya ka fund kepada ka second installment kaban pa na ka Government of India Ministry of Education. Te katkum ka jing bodin jongi hakabai de bat kanai ka bencang ya bodin ya kanai ka kam shadu shapo Ministry of Education Government of India but ngilayo ya ka copy jong kanai ka sanction order kabana kaliang jong ka sarkar India kala pha shaka state Meghalaya haka live poetrik jong ubnai March 2000 hakaba kala pha ya ka song pisa kaba saw crore ndri pho saw lak khat ndri hajar kabade ka benta jong ka second installment nakabenta ka elementary education ni kabade yak benta ki kinuhikai SSA nakabata ban penya shakmat ya kani ka scheme SSA hapo state Meghalaya na bentau financial year 2000 arpuar ri kumba kalong menta nado ka live poetry jo bnai March 2000 arpuar hado menta ka sngi kala kot shaka khatpra sngi bad habang ila bodin ya kani ka kam hakani katayo baladep ngila persang ban kontak Honorable Education Minister isa Lahkmen Rymbui ringim yo ngila persang ban bodin bad Secretary Education isar Amros Marak bad hakajini kren bad I leyato ba lawan kapisa sapo State Finance Department bana kalian jongi ila pankre ya ka beams khnang ban transfer no ya kani kapisa lang ba ka PFMS system sapo ka account jong State Project Director pat hadin kata kin sa transfer pat sa account jong ka district bana kalian jongi ila ong ba Maria hakakani katayo baladeb la ban pendep ikni kay baro te kumba kalong mentang ila kat titayo kisngi kinang ya hado menta menne ila persang bian ban boden ya kanega kam bat ngila labba hado menta tani kapisa kadang sabe hapo ka account jongka State Finance Department kaneka saw kron ripo saw lak khat riu hajar tengka kabadai ka fund kabenta jongka second installment kabala pa daka Government of India te kajingkali kabangi ngikwa banbo ya ka sarkar ba habaya kapisa la deb ban yo nando ka live poetry March 2000 te nakai ka daw mo kabahado menta menni nakaliang jong ka State Finance Department kadang batsa be ya kani kapisa ngibo ka jingkapat ya ka State Finance Department banwan syakmat ban pensai hakabay debat kani ka benta balay ba kani kapisa kadang batsa be hado menta menni ka kawai kaliang ro ka penpitar penban yang iki no hikai SSA nginga nakaliang jong ngi syukwa ban penken mahone ba katkum ka jingye kren jongi ba Honorable Education Minister isar Lahkmen Rymbui haka atrik jong panai March 2000 ngili kren dak basai haka bae de bat kane ka benta bangin kwa shu ban mi sysurok nakabenta bandawa ya ka jong ka hok haka bana kaliang jong iro ila kubur or ba kadon ka jing dili nakaliang jong ka Government of India ban pha ya kanika pisa bana kaliang jong iro kularo yang iba kani kan om jiasu nang ni sakmat bad ila aero ka jing kular ba mario yo ya kanika fon na ka Government of India in polite no marmar tentang kata try baro ngi kan mau bana kaliang jong I Honorable Chief Minister isar Konrad ki sangma ila Pentip lang ba kilat pathai khubor ba on siu lupa na ka budget jong ka state kat bompat yo ya ka pisa na ka government of India. But Mario yo ya ka song pisa on siu dep ya ka tulop jong iki no hikai SSA. Anay kumbanga o menta ba hado menta mene kani ka song pisa mo kabawa nakaling jong honorable education minister ila dep ban yetho lemba kilat pathai khubor ba kandap ban siu arbnai kata jong banai December ba January ti hado menta mene hado kani ka khilimat nakaliang jong ka state finance department kampat palai ya kani ka song pisa siapo state implementation society lani ka simam khnang ba ka office jong state project director kan yo ban siu ya katuni katulop syangiki no hikai SSA.